Alright, on this episode of I Don't Care What Your Plans Are, you're gonna do what shoots to the top of the priority list. My wife's mail van. Yes, it's a right-hand drive. The ignition decided to cut out, and I've already got the cover off, but what I've learned is when you go to put the key in and you turn it, dash is supposed to light up, right? Now the dash doesn't light up until you turn the key a little bit further. And then when you go to start it, you can start it as long as you don't let the key go all the way back to its resting position. As soon as you let go of it, it goes dead. It tells the engine shut off. So my thought is some kind of tumbler in there has turned too far or something. So I'm gonna attempt to take it apart and try and fix it, because the replacement part is, that's annoying, sorry. Because the replacement part is $300 and something. I think I found a couple a little cheaper, but enough so that it's worth a couple hours worth of trying to mess with it to see if I can't fix it rather than replace it. Didn't find any other videos on the internet about this. All the ones are about a wafer that comes loose and doesn't allow it to turn, but that's with the laser cut keys that I think are 2001 and later. This is the older style, no laser cut, just regular old key, and like I said, it still turns, it doesn't stay in the right position. It's a 1999 Honda Odyssey right-hand drive, all-wheel drive, from Japan Direct. So if you have this problem, this might be your issue.